Europe, an ancient continent. Within its borders lies an unrivaled richness of both natural and human wonders. At its northern limits, Europe reaches into the icy wastes of the high Arctic. To the south and west, its fringes have been shaped by the Mediterranean Sea and Atlantic Ocean. Far to the east, it is bounded by the primeval forests of Russia, rubbing shoulders with Asia. These boundaries enclose an area just half the size of North America, yet 730 million people make Europe their home. It's hard to find a space unmarked by human occupation. The Europe that we see today is the product of a long and complex history. Thousands of years of settlement, invasions, revolutions and inventions have allowed us to reorder nature's ancient patterns to suit our needs. On a human timescale, the story of the changing face of Europe seems immense. But there's an even more extraordinary story to be told, one that stretches back 500 million years and tells of the events that have really shaped the continent. 8,000 years ago, the skyscrapers of Frankfurt would have risen over endless primeval wildwood, stretching from Lisbon to Leningrad. Over the last 2 million years, Europe has seesawed between perishing cold and stifling heat. During the Ice Ages, Amsterdam and London would have been smothered by huge glaciers. And at other times, they'd have looked more like Africa's Serengeti plains. More than 50 million years ago, what is now Vienna and Paris would have been submerged beneath rich tropical seas. And over 100 million years ago, Florence and Oxford would have looked more like Jurassic Park. Go back over 200 million years, and Europe rivaled the Sahara. And 300 million years ago, the world's first forests covered the continent. Berlin would have been part of a tropical rainforest. Edinburgh sits astride ancient volcanoes which shook the earth nearly 500 million years ago. All these great events helped to lay the foundations for the extraordinary continent we now call Europe.